First one caught.
Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point. Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and the following counties in Illinois, Carroll and Stevenson, and the following counties in Wisconsin, Green and Rock. Remember, a tornado
crap.
watch means the conditions are favorable.
We got one, guys.
Of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Alright, so
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake.
pretty much
Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
clear outside.
The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone, and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone, and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.